14 minutes, 23 degrees 6 minutes. How to find out their values? Their values can be found out from the tables. If you refer to the last page of your textbook, you will find some tables, digits written over there. There are logarithmic tables, anti-log tables. Then you will find sine table, natural sine, natural cos, natural tangent tables. So we will learn how to use those tables. Let us find out the value of sine 61 degrees and 14 minutes. Right? Now if you refer to the tables and if you go to the sine table, go to the 61 degrees. Right? 14 minutes alongside, but 14 minutes is not there. The available is 12 minutes. So let us write down. We have 61 degrees and 12 minutes available. We don't have 14 minutes. So write down its value first. Correspondingly, right? 61 degrees, 12 minutes. Its value, if you write down, that value can be found out as 0.8763. Now what to do? We want 14 minutes. So go to the common difference. In common difference, you will find out 2 minutes. Find out corresponding to the 2 minutes, you have a value 3. Right? So add. So on adding, here we get sine 61 degrees 14 minutes and 0.8766. This is the answer for 61 degrees and 14 minutes. Let us continue with our solving. Cos 23 degrees 6 minutes. If you go to the cos table, right, 23 degree and then move on to the 6 minutes, right, what value you get? You will find 0.9198. So that is the answer. Here we don't have to do any addition or subtraction, as 6 minutes is directly available. Then the third question, tan 9 degrees 38 minutes, right? So go to the table of tangent, right? In the 9 degrees you have to see 38 minutes, but there is no 38 minutes available. There is 36 minutes available. So corresponding to tan 9 degrees 36 minutes, what is the value given? Value is 0.1691, right? Now we want 2 more minutes, so go to the 2 minutes. On the rightmost corner you find the minutes table, right? And then it is written add. So you will add its value. The value is 6. So on adding you get 1697. That is what the answer is for tan 9 degrees 38 minutes. Tan 9 degrees 38 minutes is 0.1697. Right? Then the fourth question, right? Something different. Here we have to find out the theta. From the value given we have to find out the theta. How to do this? So again, find out the value 4274 in the table. Go through the table and try to find 4274. So if you refer to the table, you will find this perfect value at theta equal to 25 degrees 18 minutes. So that is the answer. Let me twist a question little bit. If I am asked to find sin theta is equals to 0.5955. Now search this value in the table. I am sure you will not be able to find this value perfectly. So what we do? The closest value which we find is 0.5948. The closest value which we find is 0.5948. So in this value what we are supposed to do? This value we obtain as 36 degrees 30 minutes, right? Now if you see, I'll have to add 7. If I add 7 to this, I'll get the perfect value, right? So go to the minutes table. In minutes, if you see, 3 minutes corresponds to the 7, right? 7 means 0.0007. Add. So 36 degrees 33 minutes 0.5955. I got the answer. Simple. Next question we have is cos theta 0.8092. Now go to the tables. In cosine you have to be cautious, right? there in the minutes, if you see, right, it is written subtract. So what do you mean by that subtract? That we will understand now, right? So just go to the table of cost and try to find out this value 8092. So I don't find 8092. I am able to find 0.8090, and another closest value which I find is 0.8100. Don't select the smallest value. In case of cost, don't select the closest smallest value. Select closest largest value. So I select this 0.8100. This is against the degrees, 35 degrees and 54 minutes. Now here comes the meaning of this word subtract. How much subtraction you will do from this to obtain this value? 8, right? So you will have to subtract 8. So 8 corresponds to 5 minutes. Do the subtraction. In case of cos we do the subtraction, whereas in case of sin we do addition. In case of tan also we do addition, but in case of cos we do subtraction. That is what important. Degrees we always add. Degrees are always added. So this one if you do, you get the value 8092. That is what the answer is. So you have to pay caution, attention just in finding the values of cos. Rest other are simple. Sin and tan work as it is, right? Now tan theta, right, 2.91. If you go to the table and try to find out 2.91, so I don't think you find this correct value. You will find 2.9042, and this will correspond to 71 degrees 00 minutes. Now what to do? You want exactly 91 and this is 9042. So I think you will need to add. How much you will need to add? How much you will have to add here to make exactly this value? You will have to add 58. So now again go to the table, right? You will obtain 58 corresponding to minutes. How many minutes? 2 minutes. So corresponding to the 2 minutes, right? Once again let us see. 2.91 we don't find it absolutely. So we take its nearest value 9042. To make 9042 as 91 we'll have to add 58. 58 corresponds to the 2 minutes. Now add, right? Here also if you do addition it will give you 2.91. So 71 degrees 2 minutes is the answer. So value of the theta is 71 degrees and 2 minutes. Here value of theta. Simple. Last one, sin theta 0.42. Again go to the sin table and try to find out its value 0.42. So you will not find the perfect value. The closest value which you will be able to find is 4195, which corresponds to 24 degrees 48 minutes. Now what to do? To make it 42, I think I'll have to add 5. So find out 5 in the minutes table. Where does the 5 stands? 5 stands corresponding to the 2 minutes. So add. In case of sin we do addition on both the sides. Tan also both the sides we add. So 24 degrees 50 minutes. 0. This will become 42, right? So theta is 24 degrees 50 minutes. Now they have asked us to find out cos theta. So we'll find out cos 24 degrees 50 minutes. What will be its value? So if you go to the table, cos 24 degrees 50 minutes, I don't have its perfect value, right? So I will write down 24 degrees and 48 minutes. 24 degree 48 minutes gives me 0.9078. Now 2 more minutes to be added here, but as I said, in case of the cos you do subtraction, right? For plus here, but the values, minute values, you do subtraction. That is what I had said you here. So this side you will do minus, corresponding to 2 minutes your value 2. So do the subtraction. 24 degrees 50 minutes, here it will be 6709.0. So this is the answer corresponding to 24 degrees 50 minutes. Once again, for cos, right, you will have to select closest here. So that's enough. You will have to practice more questions from the trigonometry, right? Review the video that will help you in understanding this concept more better. See you.